It's time to do some unboxing. This here is Microsoft's new Surface Go. At least I hope it's the Surface Go. I have not actually even opened the outer FedEx package yet, but it arrived on the right day and it's from the right company, so I'm assuming that's what this is. We're gonna go for it and find out. It's always very satisfying to pull that little FedEx strip. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a mouse. Okay, I don't mind a mouse. You have to buy this separately if you actually buy the Surface Go. A little card there. A little keyboard. This is always the always controversial Microsoft Surface keyboard cover. Controversial because you have to buy it separately usually. And here it is. I was correct. We have lucked out. This is the Microsoft Surface Go. It's a smaller, less expensive version of the Surface tablet. The Surface Pro is the most popular version. Wrapped up in plastic, I am going to pull out my handy box cutter and see if we can get into here without doing too much damage. That's probably all I need. And we're going to pop open the box and let's see what is inside. Now, of course, one of the issues with the entire Surface line is you get some stuff in the box, other stuff you have to buy separately. So this is the smaller 10-inch tablet itself, and it's got a very similar kickstand to what you get in other Surface products. Also in the box is a power adapter. Always need that. You can also, I believe, use USB-C to power this, but you can use their magnetic custom power connection as well. In here, a little paperwork. Very Apple-like the way they packed that in there. And that's it for the box. Because if you actually want to make full use of your Surface, you need the type cover, which comes in a separate box. We can open that up also. And these, of course, cost an extra, I think, $99 to $129, depending on which model you get. This is a fancy one with the Alcantara fabric on it. There it is, and it's got that fuzzy back and kind of fuzzy fabric-y front, and you just clip that on magnetically. Look at that, and now you have something that looks and feels very much like a laptop. And you go further and add the new mobile mouse, which is a small mouse that will work well with this small tablet. I'm going to pop that open right here. It's actually, I saw this before, it's actually a very nice looking miniature mouse. And it all matches up. Color coordination, I always like that. We're going to turn this guy on and start testing it for our review. But in the meantime, that is what you get in the box and what you have to buy separately in their own boxes for the new Microsoft Surface Go.